Welcome back to the session 3 of flexible budget. First, look at the problem from the following data. Prepare a flexible budget for production of 40,000 units and 75,000 units. Distinctly variable cost and fixed cost as well as total cost. See, we need to prepare the flexible budget for production of 40,000 as well as for 75,000 units. And how we have to prepare the flexible budget means we have to show variable cost separately, fixed cost separately, and we have to show the total cost also. But in the previous problems what we have done, we have prepared the flexible budget in the cost sheet format, and also whatever the format that was given in the problem, same format we have taken. But here in the problem they are specified that we have to show variable cost separately, fixed cost separately, and total cost separately. Now this is the third format we are doing. Also indicate element wise cost per unit, means cost per unit we have to show it for 40,000 and 75,000 separately. Then budgeted output is 1 lakh units and budgeted cost per unit is as follows. For us now budgeted output is given 1 lakh units and also the cost per unit is given. So for doing flexible budget the base information is 1 lakh units. By taking into consideration this 1 lakh units, we have to prepare the flexible budget for 40,000 and as well as for 75,000 units. Now for 1 lakh units cost per unit information is given. The first one is direct material 95, direct labor 50, production overhead variable 40, then production overhead fixed 5 cost per unit, administration overhead fixed 5, and then selling overhead 10% is fixed and cost per unit is 10 and remaining 90% is variable. Then distribution overhead 20% fixed means 80% is the variable and cost per unit is here 15. So with the help of this we can able to calculate or prepare the flexible budget. Before going to solve the flexible budget, important things you should remember that variable cost per unit always remains same but amount will change, and fixed cost per unit will change and amount will remain same when production increases or decreases. And the formula you have to remember is how to calculate the cost per unit. The formula is amount divided by number of units. Then formula for calculating amount is number of units into cost per unit. See, I have drawn the columns here for 45,000 units, 75 and 1 lakh units. The base information is for 1 lakh units it is given. By taking that 1 lakh units base we can prepare the flexible budget for 40,000 and 75,000. See, in the problem they have asked us to prepare the flexible budget distinctly showing variable cost, fixed cost and as well as total cost. So here first whatever variable cost is there, first that we need to enter, and then fixed cost, what are the fixed cost is there, that we have to enter. At the end we have to put the total cost, that is variable cost plus fixed cost. Now the base information is for 1 lakh units. What are the information that is given? Cost per unit information is given for 1 lakh. Direct material 95, I am entering 95 in the cost per unit column. Direct labor 50, production overhead variable 40, then production overhead fixed is given, that is 5. Next, selling overhead 10% is fixed, means 90% is variable. Here variable is 90% variable. Okay, means 10 into 90% means 9 will come, and 90% 10% is fixed. Here under the fixed cost heading I am writing 10% is fixed. Okay, 10 into 10% means 1. Then after selling overhead, distribution overhead 20% is fixed and remaining 80% is variable, and cost per unit is 15. 15 into variable is 80%. Now 15 into 80% is 12 is the cost per unit for variable cost. Then distribution overhead 20% is fixed. So cost per unit how much? 15 into 20% is the fixed one. 15 into 20% is 3. Now see, cost per unit for 1 lakh we have entered. Now we should calculate the amount. How to calculate the amount? Number of units into cost per unit. Number of units is 1 lakh and cost per unit is 95 for direct material. If we multiply, we will get 95 lakhs. Then for direct labor, 50 into 1 lakh, 50 lakhs will come. Next, production overhead 40 into 1 lakh, 40 lakhs. Next, selling overhead 9 into 1 lakh, 9 lakh. Next, distribution overhead 12 into 1 lakh, 12 lakhs will come. We should put the total 2 crore 6 lakhs will come. Okay, and cost per unit for variable cost is 206. Next, fixed cost, production overhead is there. For that amount we need to calculate 5 into 1 lakh, 5 lakhs. Next, selling overhead 1 into 1 lakh, 1 lakh will come. Next, distribution overhead 3 into 1 lakh, 3 lakhs. Now we should put the total fixed cost. And one more thing, Here, see, administration overhead fixed cost is there, that we have not entered. I am entering now. Administration overhead fixed 5 is there, that also we need to enter 5 into 1 lakh, 5 lakh. Now we should put the total cost per unit for 1 lakh units is 14. Then total fixed cost for 1 lakh is 14 lakhs. At the end, we should put the total cost. Total cost means total variable cost plus total fixed cost. Total variable cost per unit is 206 and fixed cost is 14. That we should put the total. To 20. Then total cost amount for 1 lakh units also we should put. It is 2 crore. $20 lakhs will come. Okay, next. Now with the help of this information, we have to prepare the flexible budget for 45,000 units and 75,000 units. First, variable cost for 45,000 and 75,000 units we are going to calculate. I told variable cost per unit will remain same if the production increases or decreases. For direct material, cost per unit is 95. The same it will come for 45,000 units as well as 75,000 units. Likewise, we have to write it for all the variable cost. That is direct labor cost per unit is 50. Same it will come. Then production overhead 40 variable cost per unit is there, that also we should enter. Then selling overhead 9, distribution overhead 12, because variable cost per unit will remain same and the total is 206. Total variable cost per unit for 45,000 and 75,000 units is 206 and 206. Then with the help of this we can calculate the amount. The formula is number of units into cost per unit. Number of units is here 40,000 units. 40,000 into 95 is 38 lakhs. Next, 50 into 40,000, 20 lakhs. Then 40 into 40,000 units, 16 lakhs. Next, 9 into 40,000, 3 lakh 60,000. Then 12 into 40,000, 4 lakh 80,000. The total is 82 lakhs 40,000. Likewise, we have to calculate it for 75,000 units. Cost per unit is 95 and number of units is 75,000 for direct material. Multiply, we will get 71 lakh 25,000. Next for direct labor, 50 into 75,000, 37 lakh 50,000. Then production overhead, 40 into 75,000, 30 lakhs. Next selling overhead, 9 into 75,000, 6 lakh 75,000. Then distribution overhead, 12 into 75,000, 9 lakhs will come. Put the total variable cost amount, 1 crore 54 lakhs 50,000. Next we have to fill the fixed cost. Here fixed cost per unit will change and fixed cost amount will remain same. So we need to enter the amount first. Production overhead amount for 1 lakh units is 5 lakhs. Same amount will come for 40,000 units as well as for 75,000 units. Likewise, selling overhead 1 lakh is there, same it will come for 40 and 75,000 units. Then distribution overhead 3 lakhs is there, same amount will come because fixed cost amount will remain same if the production increases or decreases. Okay, and administration overhead 5 lakhs is there, that will also remain same. Next, with the help of this, we should calculate the cost per unit. The formula for cost per unit is amount divided by number of units. See, for 40,000 units, production overhead amount is 5 lakh divided by number of units is 40,000. Cost per unit is 12.50. Then for selling overhead 1 lakh divided by 40,000. 12.1 lakh divided by 40,000 is 2.50. Then distribution overhead 3 lakh divided by 40,000, 7.50. Then administration overhead 5 lakh divided by 40,000 is 12.50. Then total fixed cost per unit is 35. Then total fixed cost for 40,000 units is 14 lakhs. So we can put the total cost. The formula for total cost is total variable cost plus total fixed cost. That is 206 plus 35 is 241. Then 82 lakh 40,000 plus 14 lakhs is 96 lakh 40,000. Next, the remaining is for 75,000 fixed cost per unit we need to calculate. The formula is amount divided by number of units. Here amount for production overhead is 5 lakh and number of units is 75,000. 5 lakh divided by 75,000 is 6.67. Then selling overhead 1 lakh divided by 75,000 is 1.33. Then distribution overhead 3 lakh divided by 75,000 is 4. Then administration overhead 5 lakh divided by 75,000 is 6.67. Total fixed cost per unit is 18.67 for 75,000 units, and total fixed cost amount for 75,000 units is 14 lakhs. Next, we should put the total cost. per unit for 75,000 is total variable cost per unit is 206 plus 18.67 is 224.67, and total cost for 75,000 units is total variable cost is 1,54,000 54 lakhs 50,000 plus 14 lakhs is 1 crore 68 lakhs 50,000 will come. Okay, thank you one and all.